too. I hope you're all staying safe and looking after each other. This is Fred. I brought him home so I could show you and your parents, or remind you, but show your parents how we do Fred Talk in class. So basically Fred Talk is oral blending with phonics. You break the word up into sounds and the children have to try and not guess, but make an educated guess at what word it is. So on a Monday morning, not saying you have to do it like this, but this is just how we do it in class, the children would get a new sound, we'd write it on a whiteboard, and I know everybody should have a whiteboard and a pen from their book bag, so if you can, please make use of it, or just any sheet of paper or the new jotters that we've given you. Write down the sound, show the children, so for example A, and then do my turn, your turn. So A. This feels very weird without you talking. A. And then once the children have got that, I would use Fred to say, Fred says, ch, a, r. Have them repeat it, ch, a, r, and then say the whole word, chair. So ch, a, r, chair, and then have them write it down. Fred Talk's great, you can just use it throughout the day. Recommend using it at the end of a sentence, so time for bit, d, and hopefully the children will pick it up from that. Good luck.